Welcome to another Seymour Smokies Insider Edition. I'm Frank Murphy.
I'm Kathryn Frady.
And we're standing where people can't stand.
So excited!
That's because of the Insider Edition.
Insider, so we're inside.
We are literally inside the perimeter here at Rowdy Bear Ridge on the Parkway in Pigeon Forge. And we are standing under the laser gun coaster.
So excited to ride the laser gun coaster. But tell me, this is also the fastest, longest tubing hill in the southeast.
Let's get to it, Kathryn. We're off to another adventure.
Adventure!
Next two, go ahead and take your seat right back there.
James and Noah are helping us out. All right, Timmy, you ready to ride?
All right, you ready?
Ready to shoot some lasers?
All right, Artie.
Here we go.
Get in. There you go.
I will let you guys know these do go out one at a time, so for my two sitting back there, don't worry about anything. I will get it all for you up here.
So that's what we're going to have.
Thank you. We got our laser guns. Bye, Frank.
Goodbye.
Bye, Tim.
Good luck.
See you later. All right, do we get to go? Boom, boom, boom. Shoot, 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 shoot.
All right, let's get him. Let's get him. You can see the tubing over there. And when you turn this corner, it's so beautiful. Look at that. The mountains.
Whee!
Get him, get him, get him. Oh, I think we got one.
Yeah, these are the targets we're going to get right here. Getting them over here. Getting them over here. Mountains.
Oh my goodness.
You getting dizzy?
Yeah, already.
You are?
Which way are we going?
You're not terrified. Whee! Look at their Christmas lights. I bet this will be fun at night. Hi, Rilla. Did you have fun?
Yeah, this was the best.
You got 1,400.
Woo! Artie with 1,400. I only got 900, but we still did good together. Here they come, flying through the air.
Whoa!
Woo!
And one of our great insider tips, of course, is when you ride the laser gun coaster, score as many points as you can and get a free ticket to ride the fastest mountain coaster at the sister attraction, Rowdy Bear Mountain in Gatlinburg.
Yeah, and you don't want to miss the one in Gatlinburg either. They're both amazing, so stop by here first.
And we can't ignore what's behind us, which is the longest, fastest tubing hill in
the southeast.
all of the words. It's the LF-TH in the SE.
The longest, the fastest tubing hill in the southeast.
Exactly. Here we are at Rowdy Bear Ridge in Pigeon Forge. And here's my insider tip. These guys who are currently drilling a pole, what do you call it? Drilling a
hole.
Guys who are currently drilling a post hole. I was trying to combine the two. I guess you would put a pole in there, but you know what it's for?
I do.
Tell us.
It's for snow.
Oh my gosh. They're putting in a snow machine, a snowmaking machine here, and that is secret because, well, we're here as your Insider Edition. So keep an eye and an ear out for that. Now, we are gonna head to the top of the hill. So Artie, you're riding with me, right? Okay. Timmy and Kathryn, ladies first. Timmy, you go with Kathryn.
So we're taking our tubes up to the conveyor
they tied
belt.
these tubes together. You can go single or double, and you can go 30 minutes is what your ticket gets you. So as many times as you can ride in 30 minutes, that's how many times you go. Most people get 4 rides in that 30 minutes, but if you're really fast and you get to the top faster, then you might be able to squeeze in a couple extra.
You did it.
Bye, guys.
See you later, guys.
Bye.
It's really fun, huh?
Yeah, it is fun.
It's like pulling your luggage through the airport. And we're gonna get a little mist over here. Bye. See you later. Woo! Was that awesome? Yes, it was awesome.
You want to go again? Yeah. I want to go again. I'm going.
That was awesome. What'd you think?
Well, apparently, I was in the very fast lane compared to you.
Yes.
And, gravity, science would imply that I'm automatically going to go faster than you.
Perhaps.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And Artie's bigger than Timmy.
That was like extraordinary. It's not ordinary.
Right.
You heard it here first.
Yeah.
It's extraordinary.
Yeah.
And apparently we have to go again. All right.
Oh my goodness, Frank, that was so amazing. I loved the tubing hill. I was actually really ready to go again. But I went on the slow lane.
Yeah, no, I did the first fast lane twice. But that's okay. That's okay. No, it was really fun, obviously, as you can see from the footage. And thanks to Taylor for bravely standing in the middle of the tubing hill.
That was amazing.
To get that footage of us coming down the hill. And also Jerry, who did a great job with filming this week. If you were to be riding the laser gun coaster above us here at Rowdy Bear Ridge and you score enough points, like 900 and some points, which is doable.
It is, because I did 1,000 on the first try.
Oh, did you get a free ticket?
I didn't get a free ticket.
Well, we gotta go ask, because you know what you get. If you get enough points, you get a free ticket to ride the super fast mountain coaster at the sister attraction, Rowdy Bear Mountain in Gatlinburg. So guess what? To be continued.
Because we're heading to Gatlinburg.
We're gonna ride some mountain coasters, some mountain gliders, and a whole lot more in the next episode of Seymour Smokies Insider Edition. I'm Frank Murphy.
I'm Kathryn Frady.
Talk to you real soon.